Hey guys, I want to make a quick video today on how to change the brushes of your Dremel. What are the brushes? They are these little springs with carbon at the ends. They basically act to connect the electricity on the outside of the device to the spinning motor on the inside. So if they get worn out, like these old ones that I have, it won't be able to reach the spinning motor, or it won't have a full connection, and you'll find that your Dremel gets slower, it has less power, or it stops working altogether. They make it really easy to change the springs. We have one on the top, one on the bottom. The wrench that comes with every Dremel fits perfectly. Unscrew it. Take the cap off. Take the spring out. These are new, so I'm just going to put it back in, but you get the point. Put the cap back on. The spring might make it a little tricky, but just push it down with the wrench. Tighten it. Don't tighten it too hard, otherwise you can mess with the integrity of the body here. Now, Dremel recommends, see this one's used. Since the spinning motor is round, it works better when it's a little seated, and you get this little curve on the top. So when you put your new one in, it's fairly flat, put it in, turn on the Dremel at a low RPM, probably 5,000, and just run it for about 5 minutes, just to let the tool get a solid connection before you start using it. And there you go. That's it. You have to replace both of them. Make sure if you replace one, you replace both, because you want them to be symmetrical. You can pretty much eyeball it if the spring is the problem. If you have a decent amount, a 1/4 inch, I think you're fine. It's only really when you get down to a point like this that you start to get issues. Also, you need to make sure that you get the right brushes for your model. I went to a hardware store that didn't have them for the 4300, so I thought, probably won't be a big deal if I just pick up a different models. They're about the same length. Sure enough, they didn't work. But it was a really easy fix. All you have to do is call Dremel. Their customer service is amazing. They took down my information. I ordered a couple of them, and they arrived within a week. I have 3 tools out right now, just to show you how great the customer service is for Dremel. I replaced the brushes for one, and it wasn't working anyways. Normally the brushes are the problem, but in this case it wasn't. So I called up Dremel. They tried to figure it out over the phone. It wasn't successful, so they had me send it to them free of charge, and they fixed it, they returned it, and they also sent a replacement, which I was really impressed with. So if you can't figure out what's wrong with your Dremel, replacing the brushes doesn't get it going, make sure to just call them up. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I know this was a short one. I just wanted to put this out there. If you want to watch any carving videos or learn about other things with the Dremel, check out the channel. See you next time.